Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an essential accessory for anyone still enjoying their classic Insignia NS-P4112 or NS-P4113 portable CD player, the Insignia AC adapter. This isn't just any power brick. It's specifically designed to bring seamless power connectivity and renewed life to those cherished devices. One of the first things one notices about this adapter is its compact and efficient design. It's not bulky, making it incredibly easy to handle and store. But don't let its size fool you, it's packed with features. A standout aspect is its wide voltage compatibility. It effortlessly takes the standard 102/40V input and converts it to precisely what your Insignia CD player needs, ensuring stable and correct power delivery no matter where you are within that range. This versatility is a huge plus, especially for those who might travel or use their devices in different locations. The build quality of this Insignia adapter is quite impressive. It features a sturdy construction using high-quality materials, which speaks volumes about its durability and promises long-lasting performance. This isn't an adapter that feels flimsy or like it will give out after a few uses. Its sleek design also contributes to its portability, making it an ideal travel companion. Tossing it into a bag with your CD player is no hassle at all, ensuring your music is always powered up on the go. A critical feature that provides immense peace of mind is the built-in surge protection. In today's world of unpredictable power fluctuations, safeguarding valuable electronics is paramount. This adapter actively works to protect your Insignia CD player from unexpected power surges, preventing potential damage and extending the life of your device. It's a thoughtful addition that truly elevates its value beyond just basic power delivery. While specifically tailored for the Insignia NS-P4112 and NS-P4113 models, its general specifications, like the barrel-round connector type and adaptable voltage conversion, suggest it could potentially power other devices that match these requirements. However, it is always recommended to double-check that your specific device model is listed or that its power requirements align perfectly with this adapter's output. The manufacturer emphasizes checking compatibility, which is always good advice for any power accessory. Furthermore, the Insignia brand has ensured this power adapter adheres to strict safety standards. It has undergone rigorous testing and is certified to meet all relevant industry regulations. This commitment to safety provides users with reliable and stable power delivery, allowing them to stay powered up and connected with complete confidence. For anyone looking to replace a lost adapter or simply seeking a reliable backup for their Insignia portable CD player, this Insignia AC adapter appears to be a top-tier choice, promising uninterrupted listening pleasure.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.